Let me ask you something. What are you doing during your holidays?
Sleeping,
Come on.
eating, and then sleeping again.
Okay, that is very honest. But what if I told you you can do all of that and improve your English at the same time?
All of that? Sleeping and English?
Well, maybe not sleeping, but everything else, yes.
Now I am listening.
Welcome to TalkFluent, the podcast where we learn real English through real conversations. I'm Nora.
And I am Kamal. And today we are talking about something very exciting. How to improve your English during the holidays, without stress, without textbooks, without feeling like you are studying.
Because the holidays are supposed to be fun, and learning English can be fun too. You just need to know how.
And after today, you will know exactly how.
Before we start, can I ask you something? When you were learning English, did you study during holidays?
Honestly, no. I stopped completely. I thought, okay, it is a holiday. I will take a break, I will rest, and I will start again after.
And what happened when you came back?
I forgot everything. I felt like I was starting from zero again. It was very frustrating.
Yes, this happens to so many learners. It has a name, actually. It's called language loss, or some people call it the holiday gap. You stop practicing and your English goes backwards.
Backwards, that is a painful word.
It is, but here's the good news. You do not need to study hard during the holidays. You just need to stay connected to English. Even a little, every day.
Even a little. I like that. That sounds manageable.
Very manageable. And today, we're going to give you very simple, very practical, very fun ways to do exactly that.
Let's go.
Okay, tip number 1, and this is our favorite. Watch English movies and TV shows.
Yes, this one doesn't feel like studying at all. It feels like pure fun.
Because it is fun, but it's also incredibly powerful for your English. When you watch a movie or a show in English, you're hearing real, natural English, real pronunciation, real expressions, real conversations.
And you're hearing how English actually sounds, not textbook English, real English, the English that real people use every day.
Exactly. Now here's the important part. How you watch matters.
Ah yes, tell them the method, Nora.
Okay, so there are 3 levels. Level 1, if you're a complete beginner, watch with subtitles in your own language. Just enjoy the story. Just listen to the English sounds. Get comfortable with the rhythm of English.
Level 2, watch with English subtitles. This is very powerful. You hear the word and you see the word at the same time. Your brain connects the sound to the spelling. This is excellent for your listening.
And level 3, for the brave ones, watch with no subtitles at all. Just listen. Try to understand what you can. Don't worry about every word. Just enjoy and absorb.
What kind of shows do you recommend, Nora?
For beginners, I always say start with something you already know. A movie you've already watched in your own language, because you already know the story, so you can focus on the English.
Oh, that is a brilliant tip. I never thought of that.
Also, cartoons and children's shows are actually wonderful for beginners. The language is simple, the pronunciation is very clear, and they're fun.
No shame in watching cartoons for English. Zero shame.
Zero shame. Friends, The Office, Peppa Pig, all valid, all excellent.
Peppa Pig and The Office in the same sentence. I love this podcast.
Tip number 2, listen to podcasts in English, like this one.
Like this exact one right now. You are already doing tip number 2. Congratulations.
You're ahead already. But seriously, listening to podcasts in English is one of the best things you can do because you can listen anywhere. walking, cooking, cleaning, driving.
You don't need to sit at a desk, you don't need a textbook, you just need your ears and your phone.
And the holiday is the perfect time for this because you have more free time. You can listen while you're doing all the things you love to do.
For beginners, look for slow English podcasts. Podcasts where the host speaks clearly and slowly, like us.
Exactly like us. We speak slowly and clearly because we want you to understand every word.
And here's a great tip. Listen to the same episode 2 or 3 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, listen and repeat. The third time, listen and try to understand every word.
Each time you listen, you understand more. Each time, your English grows a little.
A little every day. That's the secret.
Tip number 3, read something in English every day. But, and this is important, make it something you enjoy.
Not a grammar book, not a textbook, something you actually want to read.
Yes, because if you enjoy it, you'll do it. If you don't enjoy it, you'll stop. It's that simple.
So what can beginners read, Nora?
So many things. Children's books are wonderful for beginners. The language is simple. The sentences are short. The stories are lovely. There is no shame in reading a beginner-level book. There is only progress.
I started with very simple stories, very short, maybe 1 page, and I felt so proud every time I finished one.
That feeling of pride is so important. That little win, I read something in English today. It keeps you going.
You can also read in English on your phone. Instagram captions, YouTube descriptions, the news, even the menu at a restaurant.
Yes, English is everywhere around you. The holiday is a great time to start noticing it. Start reading the English words you see every day. Signs, labels, packaging, menus.
Your shampoo bottle is probably in English. Your cereal box, your coffee cup.
You are surrounded by English. You just need to start looking.
I never thought about my shampoo bottle as an English lesson before.
Everything is a lesson if you look at it the right way. Tip number 4. This one is very simple and very powerful. Write in English every day.
Every day?
Every day, but not a lot, just a little. 5 sentences, 10 sentences, a short paragraph.
What do you write about?
Anything. What did you do today? What did you eat? How do you feel? What is the weather like? Write about your holiday. Write about your family. Write about the food you are eating.
So simple, so basic, and so powerful.
Because writing forces you to use English actively, not just listening, not just reading, but actually producing English yourself, using the words you know, putting them together in sentences.
And you see your mistakes, and you learn from them.
Exactly. You can write in a notebook. You can write in your phone notes. You can write in a journal. You can even write comments on YouTube videos, like ours.
Yes, write your comments in English. That is real writing practice right there.
Even a simple comment, "I really enjoyed this video, thank you." That is English practice. That is a real sentence. That is real progress.
So everyone listening right now, after this episode, go and write 1 comment in English. Just 1. You can do it.
Tip number 5. Learn new words, but do it the fun way.
The fun way. Tell us more.
So, learning vocabulary does not have to be boring. You do not have to sit with a list of words and memorize them one by one. There are much more enjoyable ways.
Like what?
Like apps. Apps like Duolingo, Quizlet, or Anki. These apps turn vocabulary learning into a game. You get points, you get streaks, you compete with yourself. It feels like playing, not studying.
I used Duolingo every morning for 6 months, just 10 minutes while I was drinking my coffee, and my vocabulary improved to so much.
10 minutes, that is it. The holiday is the perfect time to start a streak because you have more time and less stress.
And here is my personal favorite tip for vocabulary. Learn words in context, not alone, not in a list, but inside a sentence, inside a story.
Yes, when you learn a word inside a sentence, you remember it better. You understand how to use it. Not just what it means, but how it lives in English.
For example, the word cozy. You could just learn cozy means warm and comfortable, but it's much better to hear it in a sentence.
Like, my house feels so cozy during the holidays, with the warm lights and the blankets and the hot chocolate.
Now I understand cozy. I can feel it. I can see it. I will remember it.
That's the power of learning in context. Always learn words inside sentences, inside moments, inside stories. Tip number 6. This one might surprise you. Speak English to yourself.
To yourself?
To yourself, yes. When you're alone, talk in English. Describe what you are doing, what you are seeing, what you are thinking.
Like, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. I'm going to drink it slowly.
Exactly. This is called self-talk, and it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your speaking, because speaking is a skill, and like every skill, it needs practice.
And the holidays are actually the perfect time for this because you're doing so many things. Going to the market, cooking, walking, watching the sunrise, visiting family. Describe it all in English.
You can also stand in front of a mirror and talk. Describe yourself. Describe your room. Describe your plans for the day.
It feels a little funny at first, I'll be honest, but it works. It really works.
It does. And nobody's listening. Nobody's judging you. It's just you and English getting to know each other better.
I love that. You and English getting to know each other better.
Tip number 7, the last one, and maybe the most important one.
The big one.
Make English part of your holiday routine, not a separate thing you do, not study time that's separate from holiday time, just part of your day.
Morning coffee, listen to a podcast. Walking to the market, English music or an audiobook. Evening on the sofa, an English show. Before bed, write 5 sentences.
That's a full day of English, and not 1 minute of it feels like studying.
Because it's not studying, it's living with English in the background.
And that's the real secret of language learning. The people who improve the fastest, they aren't the ones who study the hardest. They're the ones who make English part of their life.
Part of their morning, part of their evening, part of their holiday.
You do not need to be in a classroom to learn English. You just need to be open, curious, and consistent.
Consistent. That's the word. A little every day, every single day.
Even 5 minutes, even 1 new word, even 1 sentence written in your notebook. It all adds up. It always adds up. Let's do a quick review. 7 tips, simple, practical, fun.
Tip 1. Watch English movies and TV shows, with or without subtitles. Choose your level.
Tip 2, listen to English podcasts, anywhere, anytime, even while you're doing other things.
Tip 3. Read in English every day, something you enjoy, even 1 page, even 1 paragraph.
Tip 4, write in English every day. 5 sentences, a short diary, a comment, anything.
Tip 5. Learn new words the fun way. Apps, games, stories, context.
Tip 6, speak English to yourself. Describe your day. Talk to the mirror. Narrate your life in English.
And tip 7, make English part of your holiday routine, not separate from your holiday, part of it.
7 tips, and you don't have to do all 7 every day. Just pick 2 or 3 that you enjoy and do them every day.
Start small, stay consistent, and watch what happens.
Before we go, I want to say something to everyone listening.
Go ahead.
You are already doing something amazing right now. By listening to this podcast in English, you're learning, you're improving. You might not feel it today, but it's happening. Every word you hear, every sentence you understand, it's all building something inside you.
That's beautiful, Kamal. I mean it. Learning a language is one of the bravest things a person can do. You're thinking in a language that's not your own. You're trying, and trying is everything.
So enjoy your holiday. Rest, eat well, spend time with the people you love, and while you do, keep a little space for English, just a little, every day.
And we'll be here every episode to help you.
Thank you for spending 23 minutes with us and with the English language today. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who is also learning, because the holidays are better with English, and anything is better with a friend.
Write us a comment below. Tell us, which tip are you going to try first? We want to know.
I'm Nora, he's Kamal. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next one.